Hey everyone, welcome to the financial revolution. Cryptocurrency isn't just a trend, it's rewriting the rules of money. From Bitcoin's global takeover to decentralized finance shaking up banking. The future of finance is here and it's crypto powered. In this video, we'll explore real-world examples, jaw-dropping stats, and what it means for you. So buckle up and let's dive in. Money comes a long way, but crypto is the biggest leap yet, powered by blockchain, a secure decentralized ledger. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are cutting out the middleman, slashing fees and empowering the users. Let's break it down with some numbers. In 2025, the crypto market is worth 2.7 trillion US dollars, and analysts predict it will soar to 6 trillion by 2032. That's bigger than the economy of Japan. But crypto's not just about market caps, it's changing lives. Look at El Salvador. Since adopting Bitcoin as legal tender in 2021, over 60% of its unbanked population now uses digital wallets for everyday purchases, from tacos to taxes. Crypto's bridging gaps traditional banks couldn't. Then there's DeFi, decentralized finance. It's like banking without the bank. Platforms like Compound or MakerDAO let you lend, borrow or swap assets directly from the blockchain. In 2025, DeFi's total value locked hit 120 billion. That's a digital financial system anyone with internet can access. For example, traditional banks charge small business owners 15% fees for international payments. With DeFi, using stablecoins like USDT to get paid instantly for pennies. This is crypto empowering the underbanked. Crypto is also unlocking new opportunities. Enter tokenized assets. In 2024, over 700 million US dollars in real estate was tokenized on blockchains like Polygon. Platforms like Propy let you buy a fraction of a luxury condo for as little as 50 US dollars. Imagine owning a slice of Dubai real estate from your couch. Tokenization is creating wealth. From art to stocks to real estate, crypto's making high value assets accessible to everyone, not just the rich. Now crypto's not perfect. Volatility is real. Bitcoin dropped 20% in a single week last year, and scams, they cost users 2.8 billion in 2024. But solutions like two-layer networks and tougher regulations are making crypto faster, safer and more reliable. By 2030, you easily could settle a car loan with a smart contract, pay a coffee with Ethereum or invest globally with a tap, all without banks. Keywords like blockchain, DeFi and tokenization are the future of finance. Crypto's not just coming, it's here. Are you ready to ride the wave? Drop a comment. What's your favorite crypto? Or are you still on the fence? Smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell for more on the future of money. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the future.